What happens if one AI tool can do the work of 10 highly paid professionals in minutes? What happens to the economy then? By 2028, some researchers believe unemployment could cross 10%, while stock markets fall nearly 38% because of AI disruption. So the real question is not, will AI fail? It's what happens if AI succeeds too fast for the world to handle. The story begins around late 2025, and nothing dramatic happens at first. There is no robot takeover or futuristic event, but AI coding tools quietly become extremely capable. Developers start using these tools to write huge amounts of software in a short time, turning what once required entire engineering teams into tasks that one developer can manage with AI support. For years, companies spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on SaaS subscriptions because building software internally was expensive and slow. But once AI entered the process, the equation changed. A decent developer with the right tools could build a basic version of complex software in just a few weeks, and that possibility alone began changing how companies negotiated software deals. Something interesting started happening during software contract renewals for large platforms. Companies that once paid $500,000 a year for SaaS tools suddenly had a new bargaining advantage. Procurement teams began asking a powerful question: why not try building it internally using AI? Even if they never built the software, the threat alone forced vendors to offer major discounts, and soon even large SaaS companies began feeling pressure. Once businesses started using AI to reduce costs, another chain reaction began quietly. AI made employees far more productive, which meant companies realized they could operate with fewer workers than before. Layoffs started increasing, and those workers naturally reduced their spending, hurting other businesses across the economy. Economists call this the displacement spiral, where more automation leads to fewer jobs and weaker spending. By early 2027, AI agents started appearing inside everyday apps, phones, and online services. These systems began comparing prices, managing subscriptions, and making decisions automatically for users. Humans usually choose based on habit or convenience, but AI agents analyze every possible option with perfect patience. Instead of opening one delivery app, an AI assistant could scan multiple platforms, restaurants, and deals instantly to find the best option. For decades, large parts of the economy quietly depended on small human weaknesses. People often avoid searching for better deals because it takes time, and many continue paying for services simply out of habit or convenience. Entire industries benefited from this behavior, creating trillions of dollars in market value based on human inefficiency. But AI agents do not behave like humans because they constantly compare options, track prices, and optimize every purchase. This means companies that relied on brand loyalty or customer laziness suddenly face intense competition. Delivery apps, travel booking sites, subscription platforms, and many other businesses begin losing their advantage. Even payment networks could face disruption if AI agents find cheaper ways to complete transactions. At first, the disruption appears limited to technology companies and software developers. But analysts soon realize that modern economies depend heavily on white-collar professions like software development, finance, consulting, marketing, and management. These jobs also drive a large portion of consumer spending in cities and developed economies. When AI systems begin automating tasks in these fields, the consequences quickly become much larger than expected. History shows that new technologies usually create new jobs, but those jobs still required humans to perform the work. The concern with AI is different because the same systems that automate old jobs might also handle many of the new roles created afterward. That possibility raises serious questions about how the workforce will adapt. By 2027, layoffs begin appearing in places that previously felt secure. The affected workers are not factory employees or low-wage laborers, but high-income professionals such as analysts, product managers, consultants, and designers. Many of these workers once earned six-figure salaries, yet suddenly struggle to find similar positions in a changing job market. Some eventually accept lower-paying roles just to maintain financial stability. This shift creates a ripple effect across the economy, because high earners usually drive a large portion of consumer spending. They buy homes, travel frequently, and spend heavily on services and luxury products. When their income drops, even slightly, overall economic activity begins slowing down. Traditional recessions follow a familiar cycle where business activity slows, investments drop, and hiring freezes before the economy eventually recovers. But an AI-driven disruption could behave very differently because companies may continue investing in automation and AI systems even during a downturn. Instead of adding AI alongside workers, businesses might begin using it as a direct replacement for human labor. This creates a loop where automation rises, employment falls, and spending weakens, making recovery slower and far more complicated than a normal recession. Could the financial system also feel the shock? The impact may not stop with jobs because financial markets are heavily tied to the success of technology companies. For years, investors poured billions into software and tech firms, assuming steady growth and rising profits. If AI suddenly disrupts these industries faster than expected, those assumptions could collapse, and investors might start questioning company valuations and loan stability. Once confidence drops, financial stress can spread quickly across markets, raising concerns for sectors closely linked to economic stability. Most mortgage systems are built on the belief that borrowers will maintain stable income for decades. Even people with excellent credit receive loans based on expectations about their future earning power. But if thousands of highly paid professionals suddenly face major income drops, those assumptions begin to break. Some households may rely on savings, credit cards, or retirement funds just to keep up with payments, putting pressure on housing markets in cities filled with high-income workers. For centuries, human intelligence and specialized expertise were scarce and extremely valuable in the economy. Skilled professionals who could analyze, design, manage, and solve complex problems earned high salaries because their abilities were rare. Artificial intelligence challenges that model by creating machines capable of performing many cognitive tasks at scale and low cost. If machine intelligence becomes widely accessible, the premium placed on human expertise could slowly shrink, changing how societies reward talent and knowledge. But is this crisis actually guaranteed? Despite the dramatic scenario, it is important to remember that this story is not a prediction. Researchers describe it as a thought experiment designed to explore potential risks if technological change happens too quickly. Many experts argue that the timeline presented in the scenario is far too aggressive because large corporations, governments, and regulatory systems move very slowly. Businesses must deal with compliance rules, infrastructure limitations, and operational complexity that cannot be replaced overnight. Building a simple app may be easy, but creating global logistics networks, financial systems, and large-scale platforms takes years of coordination. Technology also tends to create new industries and opportunities that nobody predicted beforehand. The biggest takeaway from this discussion is not that artificial intelligence will destroy the economy. Instead, it highlights how deeply modern systems depend on human labor and human decision-making. When a technology begins changing both of those foundations at the same time, the transition period becomes uncertain and sometimes chaotic. Some industries will expand rapidly, while others shrink or disappear completely. New types of work will emerge, while many traditional roles evolve or fade away. The important question for the future is simple but powerful. Which skills will remain valuable in a world where intelligent machines are everywhere? Artificial intelligence is still improving at an incredible pace, and the world is only beginning to understand what that transformation truly means. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.